Hello everybody, welcome back to hardreset.info channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to easily manage file settings in these CANON Sense settings on your CANON i-SENSYS MF657Cdw. So first, what you guys want to do is, let me go back to home. We need to go over to menu, now function settings, and here select the send. So now let's click on scan and send settings and go to file settings right here. Here we need to change the default settings, which is the scan size, file format, density, original orientation, type, two-sided original, and sharpness and data size. So here we can change them. For example, the data size, we can make the large and it will be much better quality. We can make it, except for large, we can make it small. So basically it will be a priority for the storage. So it takes up less storage, but also the quality is much worse. And that's just an example of those settings. It's almost the same as the email and the iFax. So that's basically it. I hope this video helped you. If it did, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one.